Hi, this is Stacy with WTI, and what helps me to wear my jewelry more often is to display it on a really beautiful stand. And I love this one from Dunn. This says Shine Bright, and it's just really such a pretty piece. I love having it out on my dresser, and it's great. It has lots of room so that you can put your bracelets on it, and I even add my necklaces so that I have a few that are always ready. And I love the bottom because you can also put some rings down there as well, or maybe even just some loose earrings. So it's such a beautiful stand. It's very sturdy. It's ceramic, and it has that nice full circle, so there's plenty of room, and it will hold up anything that I add on to it. So I really like this stand from Dunn. Really beautiful, and makes me just feel like everything is displayed and really easy to go when I want to wear my favorite jewelry. And that's my point of view.